Are you a bird or a nester? Meet Jeff.
Hi, my name is Jeff.
Jeff is a bird, free-spirited, upwardly mobile, and wants to be free. But Jeff has too many belongings tying him down.
How did I end up with all these belongings?
Like most birds, Jeff is tied down by his belongings. There are so many things Jeff could be doing: seeing the world, traveling to exotic places, and meeting new people. But his belongings are also important to Jeff.
I like my stuff.
What a predicament. Meet Nancy. Nancy is retired and lives in a large house with her husband, Nate. Now that their kids are gone, Nate and Nancy have plenty of room, but not sure what to do with all their space.
It sure would be nice to earn some extra cash from all of this.
Nate and Nancy are nesters. They've got space that could be put to good use. They pulled up Attyc.com, posted their space, and provided a storage fee.
If only there was a place nearby to store all my belongings at a reasonable price.
Then Jeff remembered Attyc, a community where birds and nesters connect. Jeff pulled up Attyc.com and found Nate and Nancy a couple blocks away from his apartment. Jeff saw photos of the space Nate and Nancy posted and messaged them through the website.
I like your space. I'm planning a trip to Europe. Could you keep my belongings while I'm gone?
Sure, we'll protect it like it was our own.
Both birds and nesters agreed. Jeff scheduled the drop-off date for his belongings, paid by credit card, and Nate and Nancy were immediately notified. Jeff dropped off his belongings knowing they are secure because of Attyc's user verification and rating systems. Jeff returned from his trip, picked up his belongings, and provided a 5-star rating with positive feedback. Are you a bird or a nester?